Hey guys, John here. Welcome back to another video. So I have the Tundra with the 3-inch lift kit in front of me. This lift kit is provided by Toyota. So in this video, I just want to show you around it real quick and detail some of the highlights of this lift kit. So here is the Tundra with the 3-inch lift kit. If you guys want to pause it so you don't have to listen to me and read it, you can. But some of the things that we have, it is a genuine TRD designed and developed 3-inch lift kit. And basically what you're going to get is it comes with all of these things for about $3,900. Now that is before we get it installed at a dealership. But the cool thing about it is that it is all under warranties. So if you guys are into that and you really want it and all potentially wrapped up into one payment like your truck from the dealer with all this done, then I guess this would be the way to go. But we have some taller front springs up in the front. Because of that, they did some upper control arms too. They also extended the brake lines, which is really nice because you guys know how short those brake lines are. They put rear spring spacers up in the back, maybe the same one as the Tundra kit, and then a bunch of different lower knuckles, stabilizers, drive shafts, and all of that. But the end result is a Tundra lifted about 3 inches up. It seems to be pretty level. This one does have a Go Rhino bed rack on it. It's holding a canoe too, or a kayak, which isn't really that heavy, but I think it actually looks pretty good. Let me know what you guys think down in the comment section. So this color is Supersonic Red. This is on a limited, which actually they've done all their PR stuff probably with this truck for it. And this truck is actually rocking 35 by 12.5 R20s because they are 20-inch TRD wheels. We'll go ahead and look at the poke if you guys maybe want to keep it. And we got a decent sidewall poke actually. So that is coming out of the truck pretty flush a little bit. So the sidewall is flush to the truck. So these are 35-inch Nitto ridge grapplers, 12.5 inches wide on the stock 20-inch TRD wheels. Go ahead and look up front on this truck to see how it looks up front. That's pretty nice. What do you guys think of those? So 3-inch lift kit on this. We'll go ahead and look at the upper control arms. It's really mostly all we could tell with it, but TRD billet upper control arm. Guess we get some taller springs too. Tuned pretty good. Hopefully it's still a good factory ride. And then let's see if we could see anything in the rear. So going into the rear, feels like there's some spacers right here. Honestly, how my truck is from Westcott Designs. But we will go underneath. Same coils, very factory underneath here. So this will be available on every model of Tundra basically, except for the Pro and the TRD Sport, to my knowledge, from the factory. So that's pretty cool because this one is on a TRD off-road here at the show. So that is pretty sweet. So if you guys are looking for a truck with a lift straight from the factory, then this is definitely an option. Close to $4,000 for a lift kit. Obviously there are significantly cheaper options out there to achieve this same look if that's all you're going for. There's also an OEM-esque riding option too, and if you're just trying to fit 35-inch tires on it, then this is your option to do that. Or they do fit the truck with minor trimming. Also depends on your offset too, basically stock. But if you are looking for that leveled look, then this may be the kit that you want. I'm sure that Yoda Mafia will have their RTR Bilstein kit out soon, which will be significantly cheaper than this. You also have Westcott Designs that is a bit cheaper than this too, but it all depends on what you're going for, how you're wanting the truck to ride, how you're wanting your truck to look, warranty stuff too. So that's it with this one, guys. Just wanted to show you it. Just wanted to show you also what the kit includes. This is my first time seeing the truck. It's on 35s. This Tundra just swallows it up, but just wanted to show you guys it, and I will catch you in the next video. All right, see you later.